So this video is intended for if you're having network errors on any old iOS version, especially with jailbreaking. And so I will show you how to fix that in today's video. So this will work on really any old iOS version, as old iOS versions have some issues with network certificates. So without further ado, let's go ahead and let's get started. So what you need to do is, I will have this website also linked in the description of this video. You need to go to this website called tlsroot.litten.ca. You need to install these certificates. So you need to install the Digital Global Root CA G2 and G3 certificates. You must install the ISRG Root X1 certificate. And you must install the Root User Trust RSA CA certificate. And that should fix all your network errors. So did this video help you at all? Or did you have any issues even after following all the steps in this video? Please comment that down below. As always, thank you all for watching this video. I'm the iTunes fanboy, and as always, peace out.